Hi guys, we got a few items from Sephora today. This is a small unboxing. So we got a Sephora haul. It's not super focused on makeup. Today we got a lot of wipes, which Sephora makes. Apparently, I didn't know. So we got the rose. We got the coconut. Okay, so each one has 20. They even have the mini sizes of these white packets. This is the big packet, and hemp. So that's what the lip scrub looks like. Looks very pepperminty. I like the packaging too. Like metallic, shiny too. Very nice. It smells amazing, and it feels really soft. So that's our Sephora haul today. Very focused on cleaning. Just kidding. Let's smell these whites and see what they smell like. Balm smells amazing, by the way, like peppermint. Okay, so the wipes are very thick feeling, and this is the hemp. It smells really, really nice. See what the rose one smells like. That one smells amazing as well. The rose. The coconut as well smells exactly like coconut. So yeah, I recommend. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this mini Sephora unboxing, and happy holidays. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.